There is a Spring Boot backend API that is used to develop simple post system. And I'm going to explain every aspect of this API one by one, starting from this application class. Uh, let's see what is Spring Boot application annotation does. Actually, it is a combine of three annotations. First one is configuration annotation. It's mark this class as Spring configuration class, and second one is enable auto configuration annotation. It's a auto configuration mechanism. As example, we have used Spring Web for this project. Then it's auto configured. Uh, Tomcat server and other web related services automatically. And third one is component scan. It's automatically scan Spring components of this project. And here we have another introduction as admin. We have used here for model mapper, and it ensures the model mapper is instance as Spring managed bean, and this allows to dependency injection throughout the whole application. That's it from the main application class. Now let's move to entity. This is a custom entity. The entity notation means mark this class as a JP entity, and this means it should be mapped to a database table. And by default, the table name is the class name, and but we have set custom name as customers using this table annotation, and has four fields, and we can tell four columns. It's a custom ID, and that ID means the custom ID is primary key of the table, and it is automatically generated. Uh, and other three columns are normal columns, and they are also not nullable, and their length as defined like this. Uh, the item entity is also same as the customer, and it has also four fields. First one is ID, and it so primary key, and it also auto generated, and their length has defined, and those are not nullable. Uh, Here we have order table, order entity, and its order ID is auto generated, and its primary key. And we have special fields here. Uh, Here we have configured the mapping part and relationship part. Uh, the order table have a relationship with customer. It is a main to one relationship. That means one customer can have multiple orders. Then join column notation mean uh, the customer ID customer ID is going to map as foreign key in order table. Uh, and here we have order details uh, list, and that means and it's a one to many relationship, and that means one order contains can be contains many order details, uh, and it's a map by order means the order details is the owner of the relationship, and this creates a bidirectional relationship. That means both tables are know the relationship. We can verify the by going this order detail table, and here we have order reference here, and main to one from the order detail to order table. That means the relationship is bidirectional. And the first type is lazy. That means when we load order details, uh, when order details, it's explicitly accessed. But if we use eager here, that means we fetch orders, then going to load order details too. Uh, when we use lazy, that is improves performance of the application. And often removal true is when we do something to mm, at the primary table or parent table, that same thing happen to child table also. That's the open removal means. Now let's see the repository layer, customers repository, and this is the DAO layer. This we have marked this as a repository annotation, and we extend using JPA repository. It's a interface. This provides CRUD operations, sophisticated CRUD operations, and two parameters. First parameter is entity name, and second parameter is primary key type. And that's it from the repository layer. Now let's look how service layer looks like. This is the customer service, and there are some CRUD methods: save and update, delete, and get all customers. First we check there are existing customer with customer contact number, using contact number. Then if customer is already exists, we throw custom exception as already exists. And then there are no customer contact number is present, then we going to save the customer. The item service and service is also like customer service, same CRUD methods. And order, there is a placing order service. Here we have used transactional annotation. That means everything runs inside the database transaction. In normal Java application, we have to use some try catch and a lot of boilerplate code. But here we don't have to use actually more boilerplate code. It's reduced in using this transactional annotation. And we are doing all the things, setting up relationships and reducing quantities, and that's all from the placing order and transaction. These are the DTOs we used to data, transfer data between controllers and service layer. We have also use some validations to the fields, and all validations. And last we have exception handlers. It's a custom exception handler. We have used in lot of places like controllers and not controllers we have used in service layer. Uh, in here, if custom is exist, then we throw a custom exception, and it's going to handle by this custom exception. And another global exception handler. And the REST controller advice annotation mean this provides a global exception handling across all the controllers and return JSON responses. And handle it also handle generic exceptions. That means catches all the exception not handled by more specific handlers. And this is a method document validation exception. That means when at valid annotation detects validation failures, then this then trigger this method by contains detailed validation error informations and return a structured validation errors instead of generic messages. And one thing we have API response class. This is for consistency. Because every endpoint returns the same structure, and front integration is reliably pass the responses. Can reliably pass using this API response. And also easy to add new fields without breaking existing ones using this class. Every class is better to upgrade our system to production rate. Now we see how front end looks like. This is the front end of the application, front end code base. Here we have customer JS. It includes all the customer related functions, saving customer, updating and deleting and get all. And we have used some validate tools using this validation custom validation JS with regex patterns. And this is item JS file including all those CRUD functions and request this AJAX request to the backend and global navbar script, and those are the HTML files, HTML pages of the post system. And this is the UI looks like item and placeholder. And all the backend and front end explanations are completed. Thank you all.